This is heating and air conditioning, HVAC.
Stop.
This is
I should stop that.
this is really good. See, that's the refrigerator right there.
You already learned that one, huh?
For auto mechanic point of view.
Yeah.
So this is my class here. My teacher aide is John. This one is electrical and electronics.
Garage polishing.
Oh, this is my class right here. That's my instructor, remember her?
No.
Yeah, you remember him?
No.
Yeah.
Let's just say hi to him real quick. Just want to say hi.
Nice to see
My
you.
daughter Annika.
Hi, daughter. Nice
Robert.
To see you. Hey, we met last time, right? Yeah.
Yeah, we just wanted to check it out.
Nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Good to see you,
Good to see
teacher.
you. Yeah.